Bharti Airtel, that is in focus after a very strong set of numbers, and we are cutting in live from the presser that is happening right now after a very strong set of numbers. So let's listen in.
Despite CP investments for IPTV expansion. At the same time, IPTV customer additions are tracking well, and we are amplifying our efforts to accelerate adoption. On Airtel Business, we reported revenues of about 5,275 crores, growing 4.3% sequentially. The domestic business remains steady. Global business is seeing signs of improvement with growth in order book as well as improved funnel. During the quarter, we signed multiple connectivity deals with marquee global customers. On adjacencies, we've secured deals in our cybersecurity and IoT business. We've recently secured a multi-year contract from the Indian Railways Security Operations Center to deliver a comprehensive suite of security services. On digital businesses, we're scaling our digital portfolio across high-growth verticals, including cloud, cybersecurity, financial services, IoT, and CPaaS. Airtel Finance continues to deliver solid momentum with continued growth in loan disbursement and EMI card issuances. Digital revenues delivered a strong growth of about 24% over the last year. On the Payments Bank, our monthly transacting users crossed 100 million and now stands at over 104 million. The annualized run rate is over 3,200 crores, growing at 19% year on year. Deposits remain strong at about 4,000 crores, growing 35% year on year. A quick update on Africa. We delivered another quarter of solid performance with constant currency revenue growth of 7.1% sequentially. Favorable currency movement has led to a reported revenue growth of 10.7% sequentially. EBITDA was over 5,300 crores with a margin of 38.8%. Balance sheet remains solid with a net debt to EBITDA of 0.7. Let me now briefly comment on each of our areas of focus. We continue to build a diversified and resilient portfolio. The underlying performance across the portfolio has been strong. Africa accounts for 26% of revenues, India mobile at 54%, and India non-mobile at 13%, while Indus is at 7%. Our investments are directed towards future-proofing Airtel by building digitally powered networks, reshaping our portfolio to drive growth across segments, and building scalable digital services that accelerate the long-term growth trajectory. Second area of focus is winning quality customers. Let me start with broadband. We're seeing strong structural tailwinds in the home broadband segment, driven by rising smart TV adoption and evolving content consumption habits. As I mentioned, we see the industry growing to about 100 million over the medium term from currently over 50 million connected homes. We're investing at an accelerated pace to capitalize on this opportunity. The three areas of focus: a deeper network coverage and market expansion. Here we've stepped up our home pass to reach 2.5 million homes per quarter run rate. In addition, we are complementing fiber with FWA, where we don't have fiber just yet. Second area of focus is to deliver enhanced value to our customers and drive convergence. Our convergence agenda is gaining traction with IPTV adoption, and we see this accelerating in the coming quarters. The third area of focus is to cross-sell across our channels and sweat our assets optimally. With our channel infrastructure now fully integrated, we're leveraging data analytics and digital tools to accelerate acquisitions. A quick word on mobile. Our focus is to upgrade 90 million credit-scored potential customers to our postpaid services. Use of data analytics and next best action from our data engine is driving data monetization and mix improvement. We continue to simplify our roaming plans and enhance value to our customers. Our rural expansion, our efforts are directed towards sweating our network deployments done over the last 3 years to drive competitive growth. Let me now move to B2B. We're seeing large opportunities across connectivity, data centers, digital, and adjacencies. Two things to call out. First, we're building gold standard high capacity and low latency fiber network, submarine cables, as well as OPGW infrastructure. This is a major area of focus, and it will help in accelerating our core connectivity segment within our B2B business. Second is the data center infrastructure, which is another area of focus. You've already heard of our large-scale investments planned on the AI data hub with Google.